Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Welcome, little explorers, to our fruity alphabet fiesta. Today, we're going to dive into the delicious world of fruits that start with the letters P, O, and R. Are you ready for some fruity fun? Let's start with the letter P. In alphabet P, I am using orange color. Can you think of a fruit that starts with the letter P? Pear. Fantastic. Well done. Now, moving on to the letter Q. What fruit comes to mind that starts with Q? Quince. Absolutely.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Finally, let's explore the letter R. Can you think of a fruit that starts with R? Raspberry. Great job. Now let's move on to the fruit section. First fruit is pear. A pear is a delicious and juicy fruit that comes in different shapes and colors. Some are green, while others are yellow or red. Pears are known for being sweet and juicy. Take a big bite, and you'll taste a burst of natural goodness. Second fruit is quince. A quince is a unique fruit that looks like a cross between an apple and a pear. It has a bumpy skin and comes in shades of yellow or green. Quinces are packed with vitamin C and fiber, which are super good for your body. They're like little health boosters. And last but not least fruit is raspberry. A raspberry is a small, juicy fruit that comes from a bush with thorny stems. They're like tiny bursts of flavor. Raspberries come in different colors, such as red, black, or golden. Each color is like a little rainbow of sweetness. Raspberries love to be paired with other fruits. They make delicious friends in smoothies, muffins, and more. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.